We're here with Jim Hudson of Hunter Engineering, and Jim, what's your title? What's your role there with Hunter?
Yeah, so I'm the tire changer product manager here at Hunter.
Oh, okay. So you know everything about tire changing, pretty much.
Everything there is to know. Yep. We've been in the tire changing game for a while. Yeah. So the Revolution is the first tire changer that we have pretty much designed and engineered on our own from the
Okay.
ground up to be a fully autonomous machine. But yeah, the Revolution is truly a unique beast. So it's a very exciting project.
Truly revolutionary. Well,
it is. Yeah, it's a good name.
Yeah, exactly. So I think, and to go along with that, it's revolutionary enough where it scored really well in our innovation awards. It's won an innovation award for 2022, along with a few other. You guys got like 4, I believe, this year. So, but we're going to focus on this one because this one was in our top score. One of our
Great.
top scores. So yeah.
Yes, thank you. And thank you everybody who voted. It's an honor. So
yeah. Well, we have
you.
a panel of judges. It kind of goes from our people's choice, and then from there we have that panel of judges that score. So yeah, you guys did very well. And so tell me a little bit about the machine, what makes it so innovative and revolutionary, if you will.
Yeah. So, the Revolution is now the world's first smart tire changer. So it can report its own usage to the cloud. Things, not just, what it's doing, but it can take things like, inflation pressure, what procedures were used. It can take, wheel size, before and after pictures, technician comments, even year, make, model of the vehicle can be entered in there by the technician. So that's truly a unique feature to have on a tire changer,
Right.
is to have that much connectivity built in. And then when you couple that with HunterNet 2 and its ability to kind of collect all that and aggregate it and then be able to sort and filter through it all, it's a powerful pair. Yeah. So HunterNet 2 is Hunter's cloud, basically. It's our own platform, basically, that takes in the data, processes all the data from the different connected equipment, and then it's our way of displaying that data to the customer. So they can go in, they can sort and filter, they can look at multiple stores if you have multiple stores in a chain. So it's a very powerful tool to sort. Yeah, it's almost its own little SMS system specifically for the Hunter equipment that's connected to it.
Well, this sounds like a great product, and congratulations on the award and all the other awards as well. And
great. Thank you very much.
Thanks
More to come.
Yeah, awesome. Have a good one.